Hi everyone and welcome to this video. We're gonna have a closer look at this German estate Vauen Luxus series. Smooth finish pen Volcano shape number 6611. Sells them with a P-lip that will accept 9mm filters. Overall condition is near mint. Let's just have a closer look. This is my second attempt to make the video. For some reason this pipe refuses to stay in focus, but I think you can still see very good what I'm talking about. Minimal trace here, just very flush surface trace. Same goes for the bottom side. You can see it like this, maybe it's really barely visible. Minimal traces of use or wear. Let's try opening it, showing it inside. Maybe showing ball like this. Reflection is a bit hard, so you can't see the lines, but they're preserved normally without damages. Very minor darkening, just slightly darker tone on the rim. Odd shape, interesting pipe, great condition. Also, it's a sitter, I forgot to say that. And that's pretty much all for this video. Let's just place it on the holder and conclude this presentation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.